to Tiki Girl YouTube channel. I'm your host, Laura Lee Labbitt, and I'm a proud graduate regional vice president for the Crown for Success, and also the owner of thetikigirl.com. So why did I join the Crown for Success? This is a 6-week program that helps you find your purpose, passion, and calling, and teaches you how to monetize it. Your job is to go through the program and dig deep and try to figure out and really create a business that aligns with who you are. Once you graduate, you are provided with multiple platforms to get your message out to women everywhere. They're an online fast-growing network for soulful, ambitious boss ladies on Instagram. We're also a coaching and mentoring business to motivate women to reach their highest potential, both in business and mindset mastery. Today, I'm going to talk to you about what is the pineapple meaning and why that is a similar and symbolic relevance to the crown for success. A crown to me is someone in her power, embracing all that she is, her strength and vulnerability. A queen is someone who is empathetic and puts themselves in other people's shoes and be able to relate and help others through their struggles. You will see this symbol all over my website, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channel, and all over my social media. Pineapple is a unique fruit partly because it has a beautiful crown, and consumers around the world regard the crown as an integral part of the pineapple. You're probably, the heck does living like a pineapple mean? That can be all up to you and your own interpretation, but I can explain to you what it means to me. The pineapple is a symbol of good luck. Because of its many eyes, it sees the opportunity ahead and faster than others. The main thing that a pineapple means is welcome. Placing a pineapple in your home as some form of decoration is a sign that you are part of a warm and welcoming family and household. You may have heard the quote, "Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside." The second I saw that quote, and how popular pineapples have become, I aspire to live that way with my online business, products, and services to my clients, and hope that others would do the same. Reading the quote, everyone thinks that it sounds cute and inspirational, but I'm sure that most people don't take the time to really think about what that means. So let me break it down to you. Standing tall. Standing tall is hard to do. When life knocks you down, it takes a lot of courage to stand up and keep pushing forward. Standing tall means standing up for what you believe in, chasing your dreams, standing up when you get knocked down, not letting others tear you down, and supporting your friends, family, and yourself no matter how hard it may be. Not being afraid to stand tall is the key to living the life that you want for yourself, so why not get the courage to do so? Wear a crown. This absolutely does not mean to think that you're the queen of the world, although sometimes we do get arrogant and think we may be wearing a crown is about being a humble yet knowing you are special. Wearing a crown means to know your worth and know that you deserve more. Be confident in who you are, what you look like, and who your friends and families say about you. Stay true to yourself and do not let anyone make you think you are less than perfect. Wear your crown and show everyone that you are confident and you love your life. Be sweet on the inside. This is probably the most important part of the quote. To me, this means love and respect all people. Be open to all and never judge. Be the person others aspire to be, but always strive to be better than you were the day before. Moral of the story, don't be, a jerk that applies to both men and women. Respect the people. That is the number one thing that all people in the world need to learn how to do. You don't have to agree with everyone or think that they're doing the right thing or living the right way, but you have to be kind and be open-minded and to hear their point of view and respect the fact that what they believe in is right. Living like a pineapple should be something all people aspire to do. Being confident, respectful, kind, and courageous are essentials to living a great life. I love the image of the pineapple and think they're so cute and sweet, but I love the symbolism even more. So go out and buy a cute decoration with a pineapple on it, or even just a screenshot of a pineapple so you can see it on your camera roll every so often in order to remind yourself to be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. If you love pineapples the way that I do, just remember that a pineapple a day keeps the worries away. So now you know the meaning behind the pineapple. It's time to treat yourself to some pineapple-themed jewelry, fashion, accessories. Please check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also find me on my Instagram at Tiki Girl, with questions with the topic I talked about today, or even the RVP program. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and type a comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll see you next time. Mahalo!